Hi kids, come on, let's learn our ABCs with superheroes today. Get ready to jump and fly with every letter. We're going on a superhero alphabet adventure. A is for amazing, B is for brave, C is for cool, jump up high like you're flying. A is for awesome, A says ah like an apple, say it with me A. Put your hands on your hips like superhero flies, this through the sky saving everything, flap your arms and soar. B is for brave, B says buh like in ball, shout it loud B, B. March in place, never scared of anything, they help people who are in trouble, march like them. C is for cool, superhero pose, the superhero has ice powers and keeps everyone safe, freak a statue. Let's take a superhero breath, breathe in deep like you're gathering your powers. Cheer it out, C, C. Perfect. D is for daring. D says like in dog. Dance and say daring. Dance is for daring. Jump around like you're daring. This superhero swings from building to building. E is for electric. E says like an elephant. Everyone say E, E. Wiggle your fingers like lightning bolts. Now let's meet more superhero letters. Get those superhero muscles ready. F is for fast, F is for like in fish. Say it fast, F. G, G. Flex your muscles and show how great you are. The superhero lifts heavy things as people. Flex like them. H is for hero. H says hunt like in hat. Hop and shout. H, H. Jump up and down like a real hero. The superhero would won in the whole city. Hot I. Punch the air with your fist. This superhero has super strong punches. Punch. J is for justice. J says J like in jump. Jump for joy. J. Kick your legs like you're fighting bad guys. The superhero helps you win the whole city. Hop higher. Time for a quick superhero recharge. Your superheroes were getting stronger with every letter. Which superhero power from our alphabet song would you pick if you could adjust one super speed like the F superhero or elect to below? Let's keep learning with more amazing superhero letters. Time to dance with our superhero letters. Spin around like your kite. Kick it, say KK. Do superhero kicks while you march. This superhero controls all the lightning in the sky. Leap. M is for mighty. M says ma like a moon. Move and cheer. M, M. Stomp your feet like you're mighty and strong. The superhero moves mountains with a stomp. Stomp. Let's pause and power down for just a moment. Close your eyes and imagine floating peacefully like a hero. Stomp your feet like you're mighty and strong. The superhero moves mountains like a nod and say N. Stand tall and proud like a noble hero. The superhero always does the right thing. Stand like them. O is for outstanding. O says spin and shout oh oh. Q is for outstanding. O like an octopus. Spin and shout oh oh oh. Spin in circles like your outstand spin so fast they can fly any P. P. Make strong fists and punch the adder. Keep that the stronger punches in the hole. Punch, punch. Q is for quick. Q says qua like in queen. Quickly shout Q, Q, Q. Move your arms super fast like you're quick. The superhero so can move those arms faster and faster. R is for rescue. R says roo like in rabbit. Reach and say R. Reach and say R. Reach up high like you're rescuing someone. The superhero rescuing from tall buildings. Reach up to the sky. S is superhero with your hands on your hips. Flex your muscle is to show how strong you are. The superhero is stronger than 10 and strong. T tussle like in tiger. You're ready for more. Down. S says suit like in hero with your hands on your hips. S.